Hi, my name is RJ Taliedo. Together with our my group mates, Leonie Gregoria and Carmina Torres, and we are Group 6. And welcome to our reporting, which is the activity for the theoretical and conceptual framework. So, what are our theoretical framework? So, our theoretical framework is to measure the effect of influencer marketing on TikTok on the consumer behavior of online shoppers in Metro Manila that seeks to systematically assess how marketing strategies implemented by influencer on TikTok impact the purchasing decision and habits of online consumers within the specific urban region, which is the Metro Manila. So this involves examining various elements such as how exposure to influencer content influence the purchase intent, the brand loyalty, and overall satisfaction among shoppers. So the study aims to quantify the degree of influence that TikTok personalities exert over their followers' buying behavior and preferences. So by focusing on Metro Manila, the researcher considered the unique socio-economic and cultural context of the area, providing the insight into how digital marketing trends on social media platforms like TikTok, specifically the TikTok, can drive consumer behavior in a dense, populated, and economically dynamic urban setting. So this investigation will offer valuable data for marketers, businesses, and policymakers looking to understand and leverage influencer marketing to enhance the consumer engagement and marketing competitiveness. And what are our initial research question and why we choose this? So the initial research question is to identify or measure the impact of the influencer marketing on TikTok on consumer behavior. And the initial research question aims to explore the multi-facet impact of influencer marketing on TikTok, particularly focusing on how it affects the consumer behavior of the online shoppers. So specifically, it seeks to understand whether influencer marketing strategies implemented on this popular social media platform can enhance the consumer satisfaction, and in turn it correlates with broader industry dynamics and social-cultural factors. And the question probes whether the influence exerted by a TikTok influencer can drive not only increase the purchase intent and loyalty among consumers, but also contribute to the competitive edge of the businesses and entrepreneurs operating in the digital marketplace. So furthermore, it examines the potential for influencer marketing to foster social and cultural development, perhaps by shaping trends, promoting cultural products, and influencing consumer lifestyle. So through this investigation, the research aims to provide insight into the effectiveness of TikTok as a marketing tool and its broader implication for economic and social ecosystem. So these are our initial research question. So first, what are the best marketing strategies of influencer marketing and TikTok to satisfy the online shoppers? Second, how to sustain the innovative approach of influencer marketing and TikTok to satisfy the consumer behavior of online shoppers? Third, what is the need of online shoppers in TikTok to increase the followers, the likes, and the views of the influencer marketing? Fourth, why influencer marketing of TikTok need to protect the satisfaction of online shoppers? Fifth, what is the best strategy to maintain the social and cultural development of influencer marketing? Sixth, how online shoppers in TikTok correlates competitive industry and entrepreneurship. 7. What suggestion of online shoppers in TikTok to improve influencer marketing content? So, in determining and investigating of the effect of influencer marketing on TikTok in the consumer behavior of online shoppers, One concept that will serve as the theoretical foundation of this study is the theory of reasoned action. Reasoned action. So, according to Yuan in 2003, in the context of marketing, the theory of reasoned action focuses on the relationship between the marketing and the pre-existing attitude of the consumers bring to their purchasing decision. So based on the theory of reasoned action, consumers act in accordance with their beliefs that they will receive a particular desired outcome. Thus, in digital marketing, digital marketing should associate a specific positive result with purchasing the company's product or e-services. So, since more brands would want to partner with a popular influencer, the micro-influencer would have a lower saturation rate of its sponsored content, indicating that their content is highly authentic and their followers are more likely to trust what they recommended. So in this initial research question, in this question, 9 question, it seeks to investigate the impact of influencer marketing on TikTok on the consumer's behavior and online shopping and its consequent effect on the enhancing their satisfaction levels. So influencers marketing on platform like specifically the TikTok involves leveraging individuals with significant online following to endorse the product, thereby potentially influencing consumer behavior. So the study simply aims to analyze how such marketing strategies influence online shoppers, examining the aspects such as purchasing decision, the brand perception, and overall satisfaction. So by understanding these dynamics, the research aims to provide insight into whether influencer marketing on TikTok effectively enhances consumer satisfaction in the online shopper's context, thereby contributing to both academic literature and practical marketing strategies. And that's all for the theoretical framework.